Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making some Pom-Pom Garland. I want to give a shout out to Michaels. They've helped me with buying my yarn. I bought a Gramercy cart which holds all my art supplies, and they really helped me out. So thank you, Michaels. Let's get on with the video. This is what we're going to make today. The materials you'll need are some yarn, scissors, and a pom-pom maker. First, what you're going to do is take some white yarn or whatever color you want your base to be, and you're just going to pull out the length that you want your pom-pom garland to be. So I don't want mine to be super long. I don't want it to be super short though either. So I got mine a good amount. Now we're going to set that aside, but we'll need that in a few moments. Now what you're going to do is take some yarn, and this is going to be for your first pom-pom. So as we said in the video for the pom-pom rug, we take a lot of yarn to start out with, and then we might need more along the way. So just have that ready. And then take your pom-pom maker, which is just a piece of cardboard cut out with a slit in it, and start wrapping around. And you want to make sure you leave space here and space here. Now that I wrapped it around as many times as I want, because I want mine to be very fluffy. So you can see it's not super thick, but it's not like it doesn't have a ton on there. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna cut to the end. I'm gonna cut another piece. Doesn't have to be too long. And I'm gonna stick it through the hole that I left. Oop. Pull that out behind, just like that, and then come back through that bottom part and tie this in a tight knot. Cut off the excess string, and then slip your scissors through all the way under, and then just cut this. Just like that. And then before I try to make it look more like a pom-pom, I'm going to take another piece of yarn or string and then tie another knot, and this is just going to make sure the pom-pom ball stays together really well. So I'm going to tie that really tight. Like that. And then you can just kind of form it into a ball in your hands. And there you go. If there's any extra string hanging out, then you can just cut that off. But you're gonna wanna leave this extra string that you tied that knot with, you're gonna leave that. Now what you're gonna do is take your base and go to where you wanna put your first pom-pom. So mine's gonna be about right here, not too far from the edge. And then use a string that we left to tie it on to your base. and just tie it in a knot. Now you can cut the extra blue string to fit your pom-pom ball. Just like that. So that's gonna be my first pom-pom ball. Then I'm gonna do more colors. You can do any colors you want. You can do them all one color. I think I'm gonna do different blues. And if you want, you can also slide them around if you don't like the place you placed it on. So if I say, oh, I want it a little bit farther from the edge, I'll slide it down that way. And that makes it a lot easier, so then you don't have to worry about putting it in the right spot. So now I'm gonna make more pom-pom balls. So what I did is I made dark blue and light blue pom-pom balls and went back and forth with the colors, and then I tied them on, and there we go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!